Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Mi11X device. So this is a speed test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update from both phones. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of performance in the speed test and RAM management as well. So during this process of demonstration, I'm trying to use the 5 applications and 5 games. And 5 games out of 5, 3 games are really big games as you can see. Battlegrounds Mobile, Call of Duty and the FIFA. Let's see which phone will be able to manage and store these games and applications in the background RAM management. That is what my main motive of making this video. And during this process, I did use a RAM boost application. As you can see, RAM boost is enabled during the process of demonstration. As you can see, even exactly. Let me even try to enable the high performance mode as well. So is high performance mode. Let me go to yes. Now let's see what happens with the high performance mode enabled. Well, the speed will be increased or not, and RAM management will be better or not. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. So right now variant which I'm trying to use is the 8GB RAM variant, and same goes to the 8GB RAM variant. So let's start with the first application, which is like YouTube application. Both phones I'm trying to connect to the same kind of Wi-Fi network only during the process of demonstration. As you can see, 5 GHz. Let me try to disable the dark mode. So dark mode is disabled right now, and both phones are 5 GHz network. Clear from the background, yes, and let me try to clear this one from the background as well. Even this one is also clear. Now let's start with the first application, which is a YouTube application. Let's see with the YouTube what happens with the YouTube application. 1, 2, 3. First phone to open is the Oneplus Nord 2, not bad as you can see. So in terms of the opening speeds, and next is a Flipkart. So Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1200. I did order the Motorola Edge 20 as well. That's on the way. It takes about 19 days. So I'm not sure 19 days. I need to wait for the Motorola Edge 20 device. And let's open the Google Chrome. Google Chrome also not bad. And let me try to start at same time. Yes, the Google Chrome was opened with another link in the Mi11X device. Unfortunately, yes. Now it should be kind of same. And the Play Store. I'm trying to keep some games in the background. So this is a game which I'm trying to keep in the background as you can see. And let's open the Instagram. Instagram slightly faster in the iQOO in the Oneplus Nord device. And now let me try to open the Subway Surf. Let's see the Subway Surf games. So in terms of the applications, I did not see much kind of difference. And in terms of the games, let's see which phone can actually open faster. I think the OnePlus Nord 2 did open slightly faster in terms of the opening the games. The Subway Surf, not bad, just a little bit. And next is the Temple Run. Temple Run, both are opening at same time, but the OnePlus Nord 2 opened slightly. So Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. So as you can see friends, the performance in the OnePlus Nord 2, not bad. Next is the Battlegrounds Mobile gameplay. And 1, 2, 3. Let's see which phone will be able to open this Battlegrounds Mobile game first. So these are the speed tests which I'm trying to do after the recent software update friends. So after the recent software update from the Mi11X device, so the performance got slightly better. I mean in terms of the optimization, RAM management slightly got better in this phone. That is what I did feel during my process of demonstration with other smartphones. And now let me open the next game, which is a Call of Duty game. 1, 2, 3. And after that FIFA game is there. So that's the last game which I'm going to demonstrate right now. So this is going to be really very interesting and challenging test. Let's see so which phone can actually store how many. As you can see friends, both phones did open at same time, so no issues in terms of the opening speeds. Both phones are completely fine. Let me go to the home screen right now. Let's open the FIFA game. Let's see the FIFA game. So which phone can actually open the FIFA logo first? So that is what I'm going to exactly check. As you can see, the OnePlus Nord 2 did open this logo first in the OnePlus Nord device, and then in the Mi11X device. So let me click at same time. As you can see, both phones I started to click at same time, and first the Mi11X device did load the FIFA game. As you can exactly see friends. So right now 10 games and 5 games and 5 applications are completely in the background memory. As you can see exactly. So as you can see friends, everything from the starting YouTube to everything till the FIFA game, everything is in the background. Let me just start from the FIFA game. And I'm trying to open each and every application right now and game as well. Let's see how many games and apps will be in the background RAM management. Call of Duty game. Both phones are in the background RAM management as well. Not bad. And next is the Battlegrounds Mobile game. Both phones, no issues. And next is the Temple Run. Temple Run also no issues as you can see exactly. And Subway Surf. Subway Surf also no issues, as you can see, friends. Now let's start with the applications. Let's start with the Instagram. So is the Instagram application 1, 2, 3. As you can see, Instagram is exactly remaining same in both phones, no issues. And next is Google Play Store. So is a Google Play Store. As you can see, Apex Legends is there in the background and messaging is there in this Play Store. Let's try 1, 2, 3. As you can see, even the Apex Legends is also there, not bad. And next is Google Chrome. In the Play Store it is there, and next in the Google Chrome application, let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. The Google Chrome application got reloaded in this phone, as you can see, friends, clearly. In the OnePlus Nord device, it got reloaded. And next is the Flipkart application. Let's see the Flipkart. Here is a Flipkart. 1, 2, 3. Flipkart application, not bad. Both phones did open Flipkart application. That's good. And finally the YouTube. 1, 2, 3. YouTube application got reloaded in this device, as you can see, friends, exactly in the OnePlus Nord 2. So OnePlus Nord 2 got reloaded, I think Chrome and the YouTube. These two applications got reloaded in the OnePlus Nord 2, and in the Mi11X device, most of the applications and games are completely there in the background RAM management. Now let's try to open the Free Fire, which is the last game which I opened before. Let's see which phone can actually store this Free Fire in the RAM management. 1, 2, 3. I think, as you can see, the Free Fire got completely closed in the OnePlus Nord 2. But it was remaining in the background RAM management in the Mi11X device. As you can see, friends, after the recent update only I did feel this kind of change in the Mi11X device in terms of the optimization for the RAM management. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and this is a quick review and comparison between both phones, and I think you got a clear idea what is happening. And see you in the next video, friends, and stay tuned. So don't worry, as soon as possible you'll receive the update in the Mi11X device, so which should get fixed all these kind of optimization problems in the device as well. See you in the next video, friends, and stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.